impact on hometown cable. That according to owner Calvin Castine, who tells us he's been providing local community coverage for 35 years.
Well, the most popular event that we ever covered was a show that we really lucked out and we were able to get. Was a guy in Morris Forks named Jimmy Misek. Bob Ben and I went there and did a program with him in his sawmill, but he was such a quiet, unassuming genius that people watch that. They just, it's the most popular show. I run it every Thanksgiving, and people just really appreciate that show. Obviously, flood coverage we did in '96, the ice storm in '98 are memorable. Through hometown cable, I've been able to get to meet people and become good friends with Arto Monaco and Sid Calci and people like that. And hundreds and hundreds of them, actually thousands, because we've covered 20,000 events over the past 35 years. Important moments in the lives of kids, whether they're a grasshopper or a high school ball player scoring his 1,000th point or whatever. It's a parade. You just name it. We just try to be a slice of the community, and I'm sure we've recorded a lot of important memories for a lot of people.
Castine teamed with the late Gordy Little for many years.
The county had Gordy Little Day and the day of Bob Ben's funeral. So I approached Gordy, and he grabbed that mantle. So from '97 through 2016, 19 years, he did the Our Little Corner program with us that carried on the Bob Ben program of what's going on here.
I asked Castine what's next for hometown cable.
Well, we're going to have to increase our online internet presence. The people who watch hometown cable are going to have to, step up and start supporting it, because we've, lost all of our advertising revenue. So that means even the people who've been getting it entirely on public access. The Plattsburgh cable system has always been public access, not leased access. And people watching on the internet. Nothing is free. We'd all like to get things for free, but somebody's got to pay the bills. They can help by supporting us or getting their friends too. And if they miss hometown cable, let the cable company know about it. As far as the public access, we're going to have to share that channel up here, so it's going to mean taking our turn. But when you do 500 events in a year and you're covering things that the towns and the schools have taken for granted, hopefully we'll be able to continue to get all that programming on the local cable. I think the people who are interested in it should let the cable company know about it in a nice way.
Calvin Castine, owner and operator of Hometown Cable. Two committees of New York State lawmakers examining the level of mental health services